If you missed the chance to buy property in Palm Jumeirah, not to worry. Now you are having double the size Palm Jebel Ali. That's the master plan of Palm Jebel Ali. The total GFA 113 million square feet. It's been divided into districts. Trunk, spine, connected to all the 16 fronts. On the sides you are having crescents and beautiful crown in the center. This is the only beachfront community in the south of Dubai. Direct access to Sheikh Zayed Road near to Expo City and Maktoum Airport. Let me give you a comparison between Palm Jumeirah and Palm Jebel Ali. The total land 61 million square feet, coastline 78 km, total villas 1745. Whereas in Palm Jebel Ali, the land is double in size 147 million square feet, coastline 110 km and total villas 2002. The distance between the fronts in Palm Jumeirah 30 meter and goes up to 250 meter wider. Whereas in Palm Jebel Ali starts from 100 meter and goes up to 400 meter. Palm Jumeirah, the distance between the tip of the front and the crescent is 400 meter. Whereas in Palm Jebel Ali 630 meter. One front is divided into three parts. First part for independent villas, then beachfront plots 13,000 to 19,000 square feet, then tip plots 29,000 to 30,000 square feet. The villas on Palm Jumeirah starts from AED 25 million and they have an average build-up area of 5,000 square feet. Price per square feet roughly 5,000 to 6,000 AED. On the other hand, Palm Jebel Ali build-up area starts from 7,308, goes up to 8,465 square feet. At a price of AED 2,600 per square feet with features like private elevator and 10 modern styles. And the price starts from AED 18.1 million, in dollars 5 million. With a very good payment plan, 20% plus 4% booking amount, 60% during construction, 20% on handover in November 2028. Now you know why Palm Jebel Ali is very good for investment for both end users and investors. Don't miss the opportunity. To book the unit or plot, contact me now.